Can you figure out the baby and the mother and the baby? Okay, I will give clue. The mother is sitting down, and she is carrying the baby. She's carrying the baby.
I can see the legs of the mom.
Yeah, it's so obvious. Okay, I will explain it. This is the mother. She's sitting down, and this part is the baby.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, see that?
Now you see. Now you see. Now you can see the baby. I see it. That's it. Where?
And the baby is glowing.
It's like this, her side. She's like this. Oh, you were thinking she
Yeah.
was facing the front. Yeah.
She's sitting in side view.
Oh my gosh! I love it. That's so beautiful. Yung curve doon sa may nataas.
So now you appreciate the abstract.
It's like this.
Yeah, she's carrying the baby and she's sitting down like this.
Ang galing yung sister ko.
Di mo siya nakita? The mother is facing there.
Nakaside view sa sister.
Yeah, she's sitting there, side view, and she's carrying the baby. Baby is very
Like the
small.
baby sleeping on her shoulder or something.
Yes, perfect. Diba?
I know, yung mother, naka-ano siya, sit up straight.
Naka-sit down. Naka-ano pa nga eh.
Like it's her legs.
This is her leg.
Her legs.
Yeah.
And then that's her sitting.
Yeah, this is the chair. But this is invisible. This is the dark side.
Okay, why now you
Okay.
see? And then, what's this?
This is your arm and the baby. Baby. Arm. Baby. Head. So there is a story behind it.
That is so beautiful.
You still can't figure out, sister.
Ikaw, Maria. Wow, I thought there was like a face, eyes, and arms. Sorry, hindi kasi ako ano. It's okay. Na-amaze lang ako sa mga girl. Behind that story.
Okay. That's it. That's how abstract.
Sister, nakakita niyo kanina.